Have you ever felt that your legs just aren't what they used to be? Do you find yourself slowing down, struggling with stiffness, or feeling unsteady on your feet? Many people over 65 experience these common signs of aging. But what if I told you that there's a way to slow down the aging process and keep your legs strong, flexible, and pain-free? Today, we will delve into the wisdom behind a common saying, "The legs grow old first." In Buddhism, our body is a temple, and caring for it is a form of mindfulness. So how can we preserve the strength of our legs and stay mobile as we age? Let's find out together. In Buddhist teachings, the body and mind are deeply interconnected. Just as we nurture our minds through mindfulness and compassion, we must also care for our physical body, particularly our legs, the very foundation that supports us through life. By applying principles of mindfulness, balance, and nourishment, we can maintain the health of our legs, preserve mobility, and continue enjoying a full, active life as we age. In this video, we'll address the common pain points of aging legs: muscle weakness, joint stiffness, and lack of balance. But don't worry. Buddhist-inspired solutions like mindful movement, proper nutrition, and self-care can help restore vitality to your legs and keep you feeling youthful and strong. Whether it's through mindful walking, practicing gentleness with yourself, or cultivating the right diet, you'll discover ways to support your legs with both wisdom and intention. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to strengthen your legs, keep them flexible, and nurture them with the same mindfulness you bring to your meditation practice. Ready to take the first step? Let's begin. As we age, the legs, which bear the weight of our body, tend to show signs of aging first. Buddhist teachings remind us that aging is natural, yet we can still approach it with wisdom and care. Just as the Buddha taught about the importance of balance in life, we too must balance care for our body and mind. The legs, our pillars, allow us to remain grounded and connected to the world. Did you know that 70% of our daily activity depends on our legs? However, factors such as poor posture, sitting for long periods, and lack of movement can accelerate the aging of our leg muscles and bones. In Buddhism, we learn the value of mindful living. By becoming more aware of how we treat our legs, we can slow down the aging process and remain agile, both physically and spiritually. In this video, we'll delve deeply into the common pain points associated with aging legs, muscle weakness, joint stiffness, and lack of balance. Each of these challenges can make daily activities more difficult, but by applying Buddhist-inspired solutions, we can restore vitality and maintain strength in our legs. Muscle weakness is a prevalent issue as we age, often stemming from a sedentary lifestyle or natural age-related muscle loss, known as sarcopenia. When our leg muscles weaken, it becomes challenging to perform even simple tasks like walking, climbing stairs, or standing for prolonged periods. To combat this, we can incorporate mindful movement into our daily routines. Mindful movement involves being fully present during physical activity, allowing us to connect with our bodies and promote awareness of our movements. This practice not only strengthens our muscles, but also enhances overall well-being. One effective exercise for addressing muscle weakness is the chair squat. To perform a chair squat, stand in front of a sturdy chair with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower yourself down as if you were going to sit, keeping your back straight and your knees behind your toes. Stop just above the seat, hold for a moment, and then rise back up. This exercise engages the leg muscles and can be done several times a day to build strength. Regular practice will not only build strength in your legs, but also enhance flexibility and balance, reducing the risk of falls and injuries. By cultivating mindfulness in movement, you are nurturing your body and spirit. Joint stiffness is another common issue that can significantly impact mobility and comfort. It often arises from inflammation, which can be exacerbated by poor dietary choices. In Buddhism, there is a profound understanding that what we consume affects our physical and mental well-being, emphasizing the importance of nourishing our bodies. Proper nutrition plays a critical role in maintaining joint health. Anti-inflammatory foods can help reduce swelling and discomfort in the joints, allowing for smoother movement. Conversely, a diet high in processed foods, sugars, and unhealthy fats can contribute to inflammation and stiffness. To combat joint stiffness, consider incorporating these dietary changes. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids such as salmon, mackerel, walnuts, and chia seeds help reduce inflammation in the body. Aim to include these in your meals at least 2 to 3 times a week. Incorporate nutrient-rich leafy greens like spinach, kale, and broccoli into your diet, as they are packed with vitamins A, C, and K, which support joint health and overall wellness. A daily salad or green smoothie can be an easy way to increase your intake. Additionally, berries, nuts, and sweet potatoes are rich in antioxidants, which can help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, so consider snacking on fresh fruit or including these in your meals regularly. Finally, adequate hydration is essential for joint lubrication, so aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and consider herbal teas for variety. Proper hydration helps keep the cartilage in joints lubricated, improving mobility. By nurturing your body with a balanced and nutritious diet, you can help alleviate joint stiffness, allowing for greater ease in movement and improved quality of life. Lack of balance can lead to falls and injuries, making it a significant concern for older adults. As we age, our body's ability to maintain balance often declines due to weakened muscles, reduced flexibility, and changes in the inner ear. However, with the right self-care practices, we can improve our balance and stability. Balance is not just a physical skill. It involves the mind and body working together. Mindfulness can play a crucial role in enhancing our awareness of body position and movement, which can lead to better balance. Practicing self-care through mindfulness encourages us to cultivate a sense of calm and connection to our bodies. Here are some effective strategies to improve balance. Start with simple exercises such as standing on one leg. Hold on to a sturdy chair or countertop for support if needed, and gradually try to let go of the support for short periods, aiming for 10 to 15 seconds on each leg, and repeating this a few times daily. Another exercise is the heel-to-toe walk, which involves walking in a straight line, placing the heel of one foot directly in front of the toes of the other foot. Focus on keeping your body straight and engage your core for stability. This can be done at home or while walking in a straight corridor. Additionally, spend a few minutes each day practicing mindfulness meditation. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. As thoughts arise, gently bring your attention back to your breath. This practice cultivates awareness, helping you connect with your body and improve overall balance. Incorporating gentle yoga or stretching into your routine can also enhance flexibility and strength while promoting relaxation. Poses such as tree pose or warrior 3 can be particularly beneficial for balance. By integrating these self-care practices into your daily routine, you will gradually enhance your balance and stability, reducing the risk of falls and injuries. By addressing muscle weakness through mindful movement, combating joint stiffness with proper nutrition, and improving balance through self-care and mindfulness, we can tackle the common pain points of aging legs effectively. These holistic solutions inspired by Buddhist teachings, empower you to care for your body with intention and wisdom. Together, we can nurture our legs and enhance our overall well-being, allowing us to move gracefully through life. Finally, maintaining a positive attitude is key. Aging is inevitable, but how we face it can make all the difference. The Buddha taught that suffering comes from attachment and resistance. If we embrace aging as a natural part of life and focus on maintaining our health, we can age gracefully and stay strong in both mind and body. Remember, by incorporating mindful movement, proper nutrition, and self-care into your daily routine, you can keep your legs healthy and strong. Let's walk the path of wisdom together, in mind, body, and spirit. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to click on the next video for more teachings that nurture both your health and your heart. Let's continue to grow, move, and find peace together. Until next time, may you walk with strength and grace.